Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What? We got our parts in. What am I talking about? Well, customer came in wanting to do brakes. As you can see here, we got an issue. They wanted to come in doing brakes. We had no service history upon the vehicle, and we just said, say no more, fam, we got you. So what I did was, I started the brake job. I got this side complete. Well, this job is so nice, I decided to do it twice. What do I mean? Well, now we're replacing front calipers. And I went to the full effect of cleaning the pins here, cleaning the caliper, compressing the pistons, installing it. Oh, no, I didn't install the pistons, installing the brake pads, the new rotor, yada yada yada. We get to the passenger side, we got a Gugot's piston. So now we had to wait a couple days for the calipers, but couldn't leave the lift down, so I had to slap the old pads in. We had to put them back in on this side just to get the car out of the shop. Out of all four of these pistons, this guy right here is giving me the business. It won't go in. So now, since it's the front, we're recommending brake calipers on both sides, left and right. And we got those guys. Well, one's in that box right there. And here's the other one. Now those pins that I cleaned up, well, I didn't have to do them because the new caliper comes with brand new hardware that moves perfectly. Everything is good here. So what we're going to do, we're going to dress the caliper and then we're going to put it in the car. Dressing the caliper, what is that, you might ask? Well, it's pretty much just putting the pads in there, getting everything all said and done and ready for installation. Let's get everything apart and ready for installation. Alright, we got the driver's side caliper all dressed and ready to go for installation. The pins are in. Hardware to keep the pins in place is in. Little spring clip right here is right where it needs to be. Got a little bit of grease where the pad contacts the caliper. Let's get it in. Giggity. Well, here we go, guys. We got the driver's side all installed. We're gonna get the passenger side in, and then we're gonna bleed these brakes. Very good. Well, alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are all bled. Everything is mounted and torqued to German specification of Gudentheit. Just the driver's side. And here we got the passenger side all ready. Got our little cap on there. Everything's been brake cleaned. Now we're going to get the wheels on and go for a good road test to burn these brakes in. Very good. If you guys don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.